Taumai and welcome to Toy Time. Oh, goody, it's the Toy Time Trumpets. That means it's party time. Hoake tātou.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it, spin it, spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Big one, you're up to toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time?
It's toy time fun, and when I'm really excited, we gonna have a good time, and you're all invited. We got Tama Jamal, Wolfie on marimba, and we got Anika Moore, yeah, we on my cuss. Tell me, are you ready to ride? Because we bringing the vibes to you right here on toy time.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time. Aya! Tama! Jojo! Love! Anika! Toy time. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it, spin it, spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Big one, you're up to toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time.
No mai, hara mai. Welcome to the Toy Time whānau. Ko tama aho.
Ko Jojo aho, great to see ya. I'm Maya and this is my favourite time of the day.
Toy Time! Woohoo! And today's show is all about something we use every day.
Titiro, we've all worn our favourite shoes today. See?
Whoa!
My favourite shoes help me to run around really fast in the grass, even when it's muddy.
Whoa! And my favourite shoes are easy to get on and off, especially when I want to go for a hikoi on the beach.
And my favourite shoes keep my waiwai nice and dry when I'm outside doing the gardening.
Yeah! Whoa, there are so many different kinds of shoes to wear. But sometimes I like to just wear bare feet. Hey, Mohio,
Tēnā koutou, how can I help?
why do we have to wear shoes?
E hara I te mea me mauhu I ngā wā katoa tama, but sometimes it's a really good idea. Shoes help keep your waiwai dry and clean, and they protect your feet when you're walking on hard or sharp things on the
Oh,
ground.
tō Mohio hoki, you're right. Shoes are awesome. Thanks, Mohio. Who's ready to kick things off? Ooh,
Yes, we are.
all right.
Tama wears his rugby boots for kicking. Jojo wears her gumboots in the rain. Maya wears her dancing shoes for when she wants to dance away the blues. Feet can wear so many shoes. I'll hikoi in my walking shoes. I'll kani in my dancing shoes. I'll oma in my running shoes. What can we wear on our feet? Listen as we're dancing to the beat. Sandals are the best on really hot days. Slippers keep my feet so nice and warm. Sneakers, sandals, high-heeled boots. I can wear some ice skates if I choose. Feet can wear so many shoes. I'll hikoi in my walking shoes. I'll kani in my dancing shoes. I'll oma in my running shoes. What can we wear on our feet? Listen as we're dancing. I'll hikoi in my walking shoes. I'll kani in my dancing shoes. I'll oma in my running shoes. the beat.
Wow! Te nui hoki o tēnei hu. This is the biggest shoe that I've ever seen.
Kia ora, Maya.
Oh! Kia ora, Jojo. Hey, what you doing?
Just tying my shoelaces.
Would you like some help tying the laces, Jojo?
Yes, please, Maya. Tēnā koe.
It's a bit fiddly, but anyone can do it with a bit of practice. Ka taia. Cross the laces to make an X, and then you pull it tight. Then make a loop with your left hand. Take the right lace, wrap it around, and then pull it through the hole.
Ah, perfect. Thanks, Maya.
You're welcome.
Right, let the show begin.
Kia are ngā taringa tamariki mā, anei te paki waitara. This is the story of Rapiti, the bunny who lived in a shoe.
Kia ora!
There once was a bunny who lived in a shoe. He had so many babies, he didn't know what to do.
Yes! Another day to play. I'll play. You can't kick me. Yes, I can. No, you can't. 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 You can't kick me. You can't pick up me.
Papa Rapiti was exasperated.
I'm exasperated. Kuararu, so many bunnies.
He gave them some carrots so they were all fed.
Coming through. Coming through. Here we go. Coming through. All right. Okay, can you just hold on to your brother and sister just for just a moment? And Paris, you can hold on to little sisters. And I have two very, very special treats for you. Ha ha. I know.
Then kissed them all gently and put them to bed.
All right, boys and girls. Time for bed. And one for you. And one for you. Oh, yeah. Dive in. Lock in, Paris, lock in. Here we are. Good night, my darlings. Kia pai tō mai. I'm Paris.
The end.
Oh, kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back on another amazing adventure. Today I'm off to the farm, but first I need to choose what shoes I'm gonna wear. Can you help me find them? Okay, my cuzzies, these are the options. First up, we have my baby's shoes. They're little blue ones. I'm kind of growing out of these, so maybe not. Next up, we have my fluffy, woolly boots. These could be good. They're pretty warm. They keep me pretty warm. My flash white shoes. They're pretty nice. I have my summer jandals. Oh, I love wearing these ones at the beach. I also have some flash brown shoes. These ones go really cool with my pants. My bouncy shoes. These ones, when I put them on, I can bounce really, really high. I can almost touch the moon in them. Finally, I have my flippers. Oh, I can swim really fast when I wear these ones. Which ones do I choose? I know what ones I'm gonna choose. These ones. I'm gonna choose my fluffy woolly boots because they're gonna keep my legs and my feet really warm. Zip. These are perfect. Off to the farm. Oh, I can't choose these. These are way too hot. I'm gonna have to choose something cooler. Maybe my jandals will be perfect. can't choose these. They're gonna get my feet all dirty. Oh, what about my jumping shoes? Okay, let's try put these ones on. Strap in over there, underneath. All right, off to the farm, Anō. Let's go. No, not today. Think, Buzz. Think. I know the perfect ones. My gumboots! Oh, I can't believe I forgot about them. I'm sorry, gumboots. Hey, my gumboots are perfect. Actually, they're perfect for any occasion. They're perfect for dancing, for singing. Oh, I can do anything in my gumboots. Thanks for helping me choose my shoes, cuzzies. Ka kite anō.
I wanna dance, 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 dance around the room, dance, dance, dance. Wanna dance with you, dance, 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 dance around the room. I want to dance with you. I'm gonna clap my hands, stay in time with me. Clap my hands, stay in time with me. Clap my hands, stay in time with me. I want to dance with you. I'm gonna tap my toes, tap them to the beat. Tap my toes, tap them to the beat. Tap my toes, tap them to the beat. I want to dance with you. I'm gonna wave my arms, wave them side to side. Wave my arms, wave them side to side. Wave my arms, wave them side to side. I want to dance with you. I'm gonna stomp my feet, stomping noisily. Stomp my feet, stomping noisily. Stomp my feet, stomping noisily. I want to dance with you. I'm gonna twirl around, getting dizzy. Twirl around, getting dizzy. Twirl around, getting dizzy. I want to dance with you. I wanna dance, 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 dance around the room. Dance, dance, dance. Wanna dance with you. Dance, 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 dance around the room. I want to dance with you. I want to dance with you.
Cross over, tuck it under. Hold with thumb.
Kia ora.
Oh, that sounds like Buzz. Go, my Buzz. I'm just in the middle of something. Pinch, wrap, tuck, pull through, udder.
Oh, well done, Jojo. Hey, what did the Who say to the portai?
Oh, what did the shoe say to the hat?
You go on ahead while I follow on foot.
Nice one. What are those?
Oh, these are special shoes called stilts. Want to play?
I always want to play with you, Buzz.
Thanks. Ready to go, Jojo?
Aye. To
the garden! Oh, here is a stilt course I prepared for us earlier, Jojo.
Oh, what are the cones for?
Oh, ka kite koe, you'll see. Okay, the trick is to lift your hand at the same time as your foot. Whoa, like this.
Oh, they're pretty high.
Follow me, Jojo.
Okay.
Gonna go around this cone. Take your time.
Whoa, I feel so tall, Buzz.
We're like giants.
Oh, they're pie hooky. This is fun.
I'm almost at the finish line. I'm gonna cross through. I did it.
Wow.
Hey, you want to do something even harder but even funner?
Yeah, go on.
Race you around the block?
Yep.
Okay.
Go!
Go! Go!
Ooh,
Kia ora, my darlings. I'm Auntie Nika, and I'm trying to decide which shoes to wear today. These ones? Or these ones? They're both my favourites for different reasons. My high heels are my favourite shoes because they make me look all fancy schmunchy. But they're a bit tricky to walk in and I can't go very fast. My sneakers are also my favourite shoes because I can run really fast in them. But they don't look very fancy. What will it be today? Fancy or fast? Fancy or fast? It's exhausting being fabulous, darlings. Oh, yeah. Ha! Today, these are my favourite shoes. Ka kite.
The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one. The little one stops to suck his thumb and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. The ants go marching two by two, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching two by two, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching two by two. The little one stops to tie his shoe and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. The ants go marching three by three, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching three by three, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching three by three. The little one stops to climb a tree and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. The ants go marching four by four, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching four by four, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching four by four. The little one stops to shut the door and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. The ants go marching five by five, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching five by five, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching five by five. The little one stops to take a dive and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom.
1, 2 makes a pair. 1, 2 makes a pair. 1. I can't make the final pair.
Oh, look what I found in the garden, Norma. Tama's shoe.
Is it orange?
Aye, karaka.
Oh, perfect. That's exactly what I need to make the final pair.
Here you go, Oma. We make a great pair too.
That's right, we sure do, Wolfie.
1, 2 makes a pair. 1, 2 makes a pair. Yeah, yeah.
The ants go marching six by six, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching six by six, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching six by six. The little one stops to pick up sticks and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. The ants go marching seven by seven, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching seven by seven, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching seven by seven. The little one stops to pray to heaven and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. The ants go marching eight by eight, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching eight by eight, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching eight by eight. The little one stops to roller skate and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. The ants go marching nine by nine, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching nine by nine, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching nine by nine. The little one stops to check the time and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. The ants go marching 10 by 10, hurrah,
hurrah. The ants go marching 10 by 10, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 10 by 10. The little one stops to shout the end, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain.
Hi. Today I'm getting new shoes. These shoes are cool. I choose these ones. These are the ones I like. This is my mum. My mum knows all about shoes.
Well, let's see what size you are, and then we'll give them a go, eh? So these shoes have got insoles in them that come out. They're not glued in, so it makes it really easy. In there. Can I have this foot read, please? Thank you. Slide that in there.
I never have to tie them up.
Put that down. Zip that up. How does that one feel?
Good.
Does it feel too tight?
No.
Can you feel any rubbing or anything?
No.
No, so they feel pretty good?
Yeah.
Stand up for me, Reed. How do those feel?
These ones are really good.
Do you like those ones the best?
Yep. Thank you, Mum.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Hey, Maya.
Huh?
Kua rite koe ki te tākaro. What's in the box?
Ai, engari, ko te mea tuatahi, do you promise that you haven't put your stinky sneakers in the box?
My shoes can't be in there, Maya. Look, they're right here.
Oh, whew. Okay then, I'm ready to play.
All right, when you're ready, pop your hand in the box.
Okay. Well, there's two things, and I think they're the same. They're hard, smooth, rounded, I think, and metal. They feel like hooks.
Kyle, they're not hooks. Would you like a clue?
Yes, please, Tama. I think I'm going to need one.
All right, it's something that a horse might wear.
A hoiho.
On its feet.
Oh, I've seen those. They're horseshoes.
Ha ha! Yep, you got it. Look, horses sometimes wear shoes to protect their hooves if they're walking on hard ground.
Yeah. Engari, te rereke hoki, they don't look like shoes.
Oh, that's because a horse's hooves are very different shape to our feet.
So why do humans and horses wear shoes, but other animals don't?
Pātai pai. Good question. Mōhio,
Yes, Tama. What would you like to know?
why don't animals wear shoes? Except for horses, that is.
Humans wear shoes to keep warm and to protect their feet from sharp or dangerous things on the ground. Animals often have fur to keep their feet warm, and their feet are specially made with things like hooves or leathery pads to protect them.
Tika tonu, Mōhio. Oh, and there's another important reason why humans wear shoes.
What's that, Maya?
Because they look beautiful. Te tiro ki aku kamuputu.
Oh,
Ta-da!
those are awesome.
Can you feel me? Come on, everybody, stand up. Yeah. Yeah.
When I'm feeling sad, when I'm feeling blue, I freaking put on my dancing shoes. I stand up and I feel the beat. I put my dancing shoes on my feet. Come on. Woo.
Break it down. Can you feel me? Baby, come on.
When I'm lying down, but I want to move, I freaking put on my dancing shoes. I get up and I feel the beat. I put my dancing shoes on my feet. Come on.
Break it down. Can you feel me?
If you wanna move your body, don't know what to do. You freaking put on your dancing shoes. You get up, you won't feel the blues. You freaking put on your dancing shoes. Come on. Break it down. Can you feel me? Okay, it's a freestyle time now. Let's dance. I can see you dancing at home. You the bomb.
I love my shoes. I love my clothes. I want to You can make shoes on a trampoline. Come join us. Let's get some.
Talofa, I'm Lucky, and this is story time. Today's story is about Tavita's amazing dream world. Dreams. Tavita floated in the sky in his turtle green t-shirt and canary yellow shorts. He was swimming through the clouds. A seagull passed him. Then 2 more seagulls flew by him. And then a sheep. Tavita thought, how is there a sheep floating in the sky? Bah! Have you never seen a sheep fly before, Tavita? Now Tavita was really confused. Tavita could see an island beneath the clouds, so he used his frangipani parachute to float down into the banana palm tree forest and straight into a banana milkshake puddle. He looked down at his feet, and there were his favorite red gumboots. He laughed and jumped and splashed in the banana milkshake puddle. Splishy, splashy, sploshy. Tavita was having so much fun. Tavita, breakfast is ready, his dad called from the kitchen. Tavita woke up and ran downstairs to his family and told them his amazing dream. So far, soifua. See you next time.
Hi, Edera, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Kakite ano, we'll see you again. Yeah. Woo. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Kakite ano, we'll see you again. Tofa soifua.